This is the final update for my options trade on British Pound Australian Dollar. Expiration was yesterday and now all of my trades have been settled. Taking a look at this pair on the daily chart, what has happened is that buyers were able to push up above 1.7650, which I mentioned in my last video is possibly acting as strong level of resistance. They got almost to 1.8, but then sellers took control and now price is trading below 1.75. If you recall in the first video, I mentioned that the way that I structured my trade, which is a bull put spread, I was looking for closing price to be above 1.78 at expiration. Well, it's now trading below 1.75, so does that mean that I lose money on the trade? No, I actually took profits early, possibly too early in fact, but I did come out of this trade with profits. So this candle here marks the day that I exit the trade. It was on the 29th of November. In hindsight, looking back, I think I might have done it a bit too early. You see, with options trading, time to expiration is a very important factor. I took profits on this day seeing that price was pushing into this possible resistance area. Had I waited for one more day, I would have come out with full profits. So there's a lesson for me to learn there. Just showing you the screenshot. So I closed the trade on the 29th of November and I paid back $207.90 Australian dollars. We'll show you the account so that it would make a lot more sense. So this is all of my trading activities for options trading. So when I started the trade, I sold a put and I received $450.50 Australian cents. And then when I closed out the trade, I had to give back $207.90. So this was the premium that I received up front for the short put, and this is the value when I close the trade. And as you can see, the difference between these two is positive. And in fact, we see the account statement. So I started with 4,850 almost, and now after two trades, I'm up just over £100. 2 out of 2 trades is a good way for me to start. One of the best thing that I have discovered with options is that it is based on very long-term trading. Weekly, sometimes even monthly, if you can tolerate that sort of time frame. My personal circumstances has changed quite dramatically in November and December, and I found that I was not able to come to my chart, do my analysis, and put in my time trading as much as I used to. So I turned to options as a way to still be in touch with the market, so to speak, but trading it on a longer time frame. And I have discovered that options is particularly a very good way of trading that could possibly suit my lifestyle going forward. So this is something that I will continue to do in the future. So far, the trading experience has been very positive. I find it a lot less stressful, and because this is based on larger time frames, so we're talking daily, weekly, and possibly even monthly analysis, it's not so important that I get the direction right as long as I get volatility correct. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this in my earlier videos. My scanner that I use for day trading happens to be a very good leading indicator of volatility. So this is why I've turned to options trading. In fact, I think I will start a new series on options going forward into next year. It's a way for me to refresh my knowledge and also a way for me to pass on my knowledge to my trading partner who does not have as much time as I do trading. So look out for those videos when they come out. That's it for me for today. Just a nice short video to let you know how the trade has ended. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and another successful trading for 2018. I'll speak to you again next year. Bye for now.